Hey there, French Nips again. Not in the garage today, not goofing around. A little bit different setting here. I've been asked by CVLife if I would do a kind of a tabletop review, a no guns in sight review on this uh, scope. And this one was actually sent to me back in December, and unfortunately, I got sick in December and few things got dropped by the wayside, but I want to get this done. It's still a fantastic product that's still available, and they do have several other sizes of this same line. They're calling this their Jackalhowl line. If you look up Jackal, just search for Jackalhowl, you'll find this product line. But the one that they sent me to take a look at is their 4 to 12 by 50 um, size scope, and so I do have it in the original box here. Fair warning, I have had this already mounted up on a very nice air rifle. This is a magnificent air gun scope. For the price, it is just a phenomenal but let's get into what we get in the box. So the first thing we start off, we get really nice instructions. So it does come with a set of rings. The rings are already attached to it, so but it does come with a really nice set of Picatinny style rings. It does come with a front flip up cover. They're good quality flip covers. There's the back one, and it is comes well packaged. Nice foam inserts in there. It is a really nice scope for less than this. This one's currently retailing for about $65. So it is like I said, 4 to 12. So I had it on 4 power the last time I was looking through it, and the adjustable objectives on the front, and it will go down to under 10 yards. So really nice for an air gun. A scope that's what I kind of look for now in a scope. If I'm looking for a budget friendly air gun scope, I look for one that will go down to at least 10 yards. And obviously they'll go up to infinity, but a 4 to 12 or a 4 to 16, something goes down to like 3 or 4, and it'll go down to 10 yards. Just will get just about anything done you need to do with an air gun. They do have several other sizes, so they have these are all adjustable objective, but they have a 2 to 7 by 32, a 3 to 9 by 40, obviously a 4 to 12 by 50, and then a 6 to 24 by 50. The 6 to 24 is a little bit more expensive, around $80, but still just for the cost. I did take some images. Let me grab my other phone here that I took the images with. Did grab some pictures of it out my back door. We're still dealing with winter. So now this first one is going to be a shot all the way to the back of my yard, which is about 40 yards from. I was standing just inside my garage door, and then this is looking out the back. Very crisp image. There's a little bit of distortion at the top, and that's just from me not having the scope or the camera centered well enough in the back behind the scope. So that's the 4X at about 40 yards. So really crystal clear. You can see everything. Like I said, we're still dealing with quite a bit of snow on the ground out here. So now the next one is same image, but zoomed into 8 power, and still really clear. Obviously, I'm still no expert at taking pictures through a scope. What you see through the scope is a whole lot better than what I've been able to capture through the scope. Now, this one here, I don't know why I couldn't get that to resolve, but I took the camera and camera mount off the scope and looked through there, and it was crystal clear, but I could not get the camera to focus. It was just hazy for whatever reason. So that one, so that one wasn't my best product there for sure. Capturing that image, but so now this next one is going to be looking at our firewood pile that's a little bit closer in. That's about 25 yards, maybe 20 yards, about 20 yards. So this is the 4X image. Again, really nice and clear, crystal clear. I think this would be a great squirrel hunting one. Now this is my image on 8X. Again, just almost crystal clear, edge to edge. And then get to the 12 power again. It looked clear to me looking through it, but the phone was having trouble focusing in. I don't know if it's trying to decide to focus on the reticle or the image and just not able to really capture it, but that's what that is. And then the last one I took, just a quick set, is we have a gigantic maple tree out in the middle of our backyard, and that's, so the wood pile is about 20 and this tree is at about 25. So the first image here is 4X, really clear. You can see very good detail in that tree. The next one zoomed into 8 power. I joke around during the summertime, you can see the ants crawling up and down the tree, but very, very clear still. And then I think that's about the best image that I captured with it on 12X. But a really detailed look at the bark on that tree. So what I really do think that CVLife has really been stepping up their game as far as their glass goes. They've got several of the Bear Power scopes too. The what is it, 4 to 16 and the 3 to 18, or I think it is. And those are just phenomenal scopes, especially for the price. But if you're looking for even more budget friendly, the 3 to 9 by 40 AO scope it is like $40, and it's just one of the best scopes for an air gun that I've ever used, really. But this one is just a fantastic product. I wish I could figure out how to better capture images through them, but someday I'll grow up and figure that out. But there you go. I would recommend checking it out. I will leave a link down in the description to my Amazon storefront and to the link for this particular product. If you're interested in it, go ahead and click on that link, and then they'll know that you saw my video, and they'll support the channel even more. So hope you guys like the video. Till next time, have a great day.